Praful Goyer. I started my career in 2017 as a diploma engineer's training. At the time, by the profession, I started my career as an electrical engineer. So, at the time, I'm part of the Mahindra and Mahindra, the farm division, and it is a Nagpur, tractor plant is located in the Nagpur. So over there, I joined as a diploma engineer training, and my department is belongs to the maintenance part. Okay, over there, we are responsible for maintaining the machines in the good health. Okay, so basically over there, we have a very big machineries like we can say CNC machines. CNC stand for computer numerical controls, who help to finish a part at the micron. So over there, I'm a part of one team. The team name is a CBM. Okay, it stands for condition-based monitoring. So over there, my work is to collect the physical parameters from a CNC machines and put it on their local server. They call that server as Drona. So which physical parameter I'm talking about? So let's say there is one CNC machine. Okay, so we need to monitor that machine. So which are the parameters we can do from it? So like the temperature, I can say, temperature is one of the parameter. Then movement of axes, how axes are moving into that particular machine. Apart from that, how coolant was flowing. There is a liquid we actually force on the part to keep it cool. So we take that particular one, the reading of that coolant and how much temperature it had, what was the flow for that. Apart from that, what are the health of the existing motors who are utilized to perform the task and all. How their basic parameters like axis was performing and all. Okay, and these kind of parameters we need to take from there. So let's say if I'm collecting a temperature, so we used over there RTDs and all. Okay, we take that, put it into their local system that convert or amplify that data. Okay, for the system that is called group. Okay, so this is the work. Basically, I need to take out such a physical parameter from CNC machine and put those parameters on the their local server called. So during that work, what I did one day, I took the data in Microsoft Excel and I started analytics. When I started analytics on it, I found that the machine started malfunctioning after 10 to 15 days. Every 10 to 15 days, I found the same kind of pattern in their physical parameters. I found that the temperature of particular motors are malfunctioning very fast. It was like, why did it happen? So then we perform some some techniques in maintenance. One of them is called why analysis that we utilize to find the root cause. So I started doing it, and during that we found that some of the motors are morely deep into the coolant. So this is the first time where I come across with the term called analysis. Okay, and I thought that is one of the field I personally very attracted towards, and I was like, let's do such kind of analytics. Okay. During that, one of my manager came to me and he was saying, Praful, you're better into the analytics. Why you want to try this? And then I joined Great Learning, Great Learning, who is associated with the Great Lakes Institute of Management. And I started my PGPDSC course into it. And here is the place where I come across with the various tools like Python, SQL, and cloud like Azure, Tablet, Power BI, and all stuff. I come across with it, and I found that these are some things I'm very very excited towards. I explored them all, and then I started my career as a data science person. Okay, I have more than 5 year experience till date, and serving on various job roles in the data science. And today I feel that let's start the channel to give you a brief idea how analytics works in the real time scenario. The experiences I got, those experiences are more more focused towards the analytics and all. So let's start for it. Okay, so this is the channel we've come across it. This is something, a small story about me, where I started, how I started, and why I'm in analytics. analytics. Okay, so after this, I'm going to, add some content within this particular, channel. In that particular one, we are more focused on the some specific things that I want to, tell you. First was more on data analytics, how we can perform the analytics, how we can, implement our analytics in the real-time scenario. That we are going to cover. Also, I am going to tell you what are the prerequisite and what is the, what are the basic things that you need to, before doing the analysis. You can say a prerequisite of it. Apart from that, what are the things you need to have in your mind, that whenever you perform the analytics and how you need to behave during the analytics, because it's an art basically. I personally failed to retrieve the information from the raw data. Okay, so we are going to work into it and we are going to understand how it performs. After that, we are going to focus on three things. First one is the machine learning. Okay, how machine learning exactly, helping real world scenario. Okay, in Web3, how it works. Apart from that, we are also going to learn about how deep learning and NLP was performing the very fabulous role into, this particular ones. Also, we are going to understand how, fundamental model, or we can say a foundational model in LLMs was exactly, worked by using these three things that I already mentioned: your machine learning, deep learning, and NLP. So this is the thing, we are going to cover it in the future. Okay, so that was my welcome call to all of you. Welcome in the channel. We, Technetics IT Services, we are going to help you to get best in the analytics, especially in the data science. So welcome all of you. Thank you.